Can you pay for fees to buying a house? They're called closing costs and prepaids. There's several options on how you can do that, and everybody's scenario of what's going to work for them is going to be a little different, but here's the options. You can pay for it from money that you have. You write a check from a savings account, you can take a loan from a retirement account, you can withdraw from a retirement account, but you can pay them from the means that you have of money. Another option is a seller credit. You're going to ask the seller to actually pay your fees at closing so that you don't have to have the money come out of your pocket. Now, depending upon what's going on in the housing market, you may have to make a higher than asking price offer on your house to get that, because the fees are real money out of the seller's pocket. So don't just think it's free to them. They're going to evaluate the purchase price and the seller credit to see what they're going to make on the sale of their house. So just understand your real estate agent will guide you of what is the best when it comes to using the seller credit to have your fees paid. A third option is an interest rate that is higher than the one that you're probably being told about, because there's an interest rate that costs nothing, but the higher interest rates are available and they have a credit attached to it that can help pay fees that you're going to get with your loan. Now, obviously, you're paying a higher mortgage payment because you're taking a higher rate, but for some people that makes sense for their financial situation. You can take a debt on a secured asset that you own. You could refinance your car, your motorcycle, your camper, take money from a 401k. It has to have a secured asset behind it. You can take that debt that has to fit in your debt to income ratio to buying a house, but now that money can be used to help pay your fees. You can use a combination of all those, little of this, little of that. You can also have a gift from a family member. I almost forgot that one. A family member can choose to just give you the money. They have to, sign a gift letter and give us a bank statement, but they can participate and help you pay for the fees. Here's things you can't do. You cannot get a personal loan. You can't use a credit card because those are unsecured assets, and so that is just against the rules for getting your fees paid.